Shincho today introduced to the whole family. Model. This shirt will have a shoulder. Her legs are the legs of her shirt. It's simple, and there's a splint down here. But this age, this one is very good in middle age. Then with this style, you wear the same style of pants, same old tone, or the colored dots on the shirt. I wear it very nicely, and it's going to make my body longer and thinner. With dotted lines, or vertical stripes, it's here. With sisters who are fat, then you should choose the styles that are striped. Along like this. The neck or the door is matched with the color of the pants. If your neck matches the color of your pants and the door is horizontal, if you mix small pieces, it will help the body. I was longer than a large piece. It will make your body fat. So with this model, you can pair it with this shirt. Wear with wide pants. It's very beautiful. And now we're going to start going into pattern design. I will use this model. Shoulder, neck, chest, waist, butt, and waist length. I'll have these measurements here. You will measure it on your body. To get these 6 measurements, if you don't know how to measure it, it's inside. In the video on the channel, there is a measurement guide. The whole family will see it. Now we're going to start going into the design part. If you wear this shirt, you will. I will not have to fold a splint in front of you guys. Today I will show you a way. You will sew your own. Get me a model out here. Both are gasoline. I will. If I cut a long part of my shirt, I will wear this one. Wide tube pants. You can pack it or leave it outside. So I cut this shirt. It's short, it's long. I'll take 5 and you'll measure it. Long to horizontal butt on, the smallest part of the butt at the top. And then I took it over here and I took it across my shoulder. Shoulder is equal to shoulder divided by 2 is equal to 32. Divide by 2 is equal to 16. I took it across a road. Then it's down to 4. If you take her, divide 5 by 30. Dividing by 5 is equal to 6. I connect it in. And then you're going to divide your breasts by 5. You add 20 and 80 divided by 5. Plus 2 is 18. I measured from top to bottom. 18 across a perpendicular line. And then I'll take the breast. Then divide the chest by 4. Plus 280 divided by 4. Plus 2 is equal to 22. Then you take a horizontal line of 2. From here you take it. Remember, I took it from this straight line. There's no way out. Then you'll take one down a road. Lower your waist, take 35. I'll take the waistline now. The waist is divided by 4 plus 2. 64 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 18. I took a road that was 18. Then you're going to take the hips and the buttocks. Divide by 4 sisters plus 2. 80 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 22. On this line, give me 2. I'll go from the waistline to the butt line. Is that we'll get the flank. And then we're going to put a perpendicular line down. Reverse to gasoline. Split in half again. Then you'll be able to draw this collar line, this armpit line. Then I'll cut the neck. This old line, you back me to gasoline. Deep neck down is to get 8 gasoline. Then I built a square ruler. I am easy. is that we'll get the body first. After you've done the front of your shirt, then from here you'll come up here and give me to petrol. I'll draw a red line for the back. Here I drop in a centimeter of gas. The underarm of the body behind it will be larger than the armpit here of is
the
not,
body
comma
before.
7. Now that the neck is here, you'll join it. And we're going to go across the neck. This is 3 petrol. You will get the body first. I cut a piece of paper like this. And this shirt has been. I wear it widely. So I'm going to add up the waist. If you want to wear a hug, add 1.5. And I cut. The body will cut first. Follow the red line. And then after you've cut the back, then here, I'll put it in. Then this part you leave. I'll cut off my hip. This is because this was me. Draw for the front body. It has a part. Nail the button. So this is the part where you cut off the hip. When it is done, you will reduce it. Give me a piece of gasoline like before. I have cut and I painted on the front. I'm going to drop down here. And this body will be the back. Later, you multiply for 1 because this is a double-layered fabric. After you've painted the back body, then we will continue. Cut into the body first. Before that, you will cut along the black line. Then we'll have this as the front towel. The previous part Previously you multiplied 2. Let us be first. This will be the back. And I will continue. Cut the sleeve and the neck. You will measure it for me. Armpit ring. The handkerchief before me measured 20. Underarm line behind. It measured 22. And then I got to armpits. Then you will start working. Cut for the underarm line. I'll take down the lower part of the chest. Divide by 10 plus 5. 80 sisters divided by 10 plus 5. So here we are, 13. I took the number 13. Some of these are located here. And then you take 20 armpits. The front body plus 22 is the armpit ring. The back is 42. Dividing 2 is equal. The 2 you took is 2. Then split it in half. Down 1 and up 2. Then you'll take the long arm. Long arm here I get 28. I built a perpendicular line. And you build this road down. Give me 1.5 inches. It comes in 2. So we'll get the sleeve here. I'll cut the sleeve. Then after you cut off the sleeve, I'll come down here and give you one. Then we'll have this one. The next one will be the first one. And then I'll cut the collar. Yours, you put the glue together. I will measure the necklace on my body. Neck pain on the body. Let's measure it out here, ladies. I can measure 14 here. The body's ankle line behind you measured 11. Then we'll have 14. If we add 11, we're 25. 14 plus 11 is 2 and 5. Then you'll measure me a path of 25. Here. Then you put up a perpendicular line. And from here you'll measure it for me. 2 gasoline. And then we're going to cut off the part of the neck that it has. The foot onto petrol like this. And then you're going to cut this segment to 2.5. That's when you cut off the leg. This corner here. And we're going to roll it around. Then you'll get her leg. I put it in the collar here. We will sew her, and this residue is going to be attached to the back of the neck. You'll get the same collar as the picture. That's how we're going to make a fortune. If we are naked, we will sew like a shirt. You will do this so that we can. I have a shirt like the picture. So this is the whole thing that we're looking at today. We just did it. Towel before towel behind sleeve and collar. If you see anything that's not clear, comment below. I'll see the comments and I'll reply to you when I see the comments. And remember the part I shared. There is no seam. You have to cut the seams. So let's cut it. Now let's talk a little bit about how to be lucky. First here I subtract to fractions. So you've got to cut a splint. Let's sew the splint. Body before. After sewing the splint, when you're done, you'll put the body on. You sew the rib road. 2. Once the sew is done, you will kick the arm in. So we'll sew the sleeve. If you can sew the sleeve, you will. The tendon behind the front sew. Back together and ribs. And in the end, you're going to screw her up so that we can. You get the A. Neck into the body. And then we may cross hands. And get the shirt and we're done. And I wish you success. Thank you Shin Cho and see you.